Hello everyone, today I'm going to give you the steps on how to log in your Google Play account in Brawl Stars. Launch the game from your app list or your home screen or even at Google Play. Once inside the game, find the menu icon or the three horizontal lines icon in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the menu. In the menu, select Settings or Gear icon. This will bring up the settings options where you can manage your account and game preferences. Look for the connect button under the Google Play option. Then you will see an option to connect your Google Play account. Tap on connect if it's not already linked. Sign in with your Google account and a Google sign-in screen will appear. Choose your preferred Google account or add a new one if needed. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in. After signing in, your Brawl Stars account will be linked to your Google Play account. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.